Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to provide a solution to this exponential equation here on the board. We have to solve 5 to the power of 3m equals square root of 5 to the power of m squared plus 5. Then here, we have to find the value of m that will satisfy this given equation here. I put here solution. I come down here with the question 5 to the power of 3m equals square root of 5 to the power of m squared plus 5. Here, we are going to start working with the right hand side of the equation. Now, I bring this down. 5 to the power of 3m equals square root of 5 can also be expressed as 5 to the power of 1 over 2, then multiplied by m squared plus 5. Then you are going to multiply these powers out. Then as such, the equation becomes 5 to the power of 3m equals 5 to the power, if you multiply this, you are going to have m to the power of 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Then now, since both sides of the equation have been expressed in the same base of 5, then as such, you are going to equate the powers. Then here we have 3m equals m squared plus 5 divided by 2. Note this always divided by 1. When here we are going to apply cross multiplication. Now 3m will be multiplied by 2 and 1 will be multiplied by m squared plus 5. And if you do that, you're going to have here 6m equals m squared plus 5. This is quadratic. Then the next step is for us to rearrange this equation. Now, if you do that, going to have here that m squared plus m squared, if you move 6m down here, it becomes minus 6m plus 5 equals 0. That is the normal form of quadratic equation. Here, the next step to be considered is for you to come to the constant here. Look for two possible factors of 5 such that when you multiply, it will give you plus 5. And when you add up these two same factors, it will give you minus 6. Then now, so let these factors be minus 1 and minus 5. If you multiply minus 1 times minus 5, you get plus 5 exactly. Then if you add up minus 1 plus minus 5, you get minus 6 exactly. Therefore, open two brackets like this, equate it to 0. This is m squared. Insert one m here and insert another one here. Then introduce each of these factors into each bracket. Then here you can decide to put minus 1, you can decide to put minus 5. Then it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Therefore, we have that m minus 1 equals 0 or m minus 5 equals 0. Therefore, m equals 1 or m equals 5. And these are the possible values of m that will satisfy this given exponential equation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.